Hello everyone, I am Anuja, and in this video we are diving deep into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud's Journey Builder to explore how you can create a powerful promo campaign. Alright, so you want to know how to create those eye-catching promo campaigns using Journey Builder, right? Well, no complicated tech stuff here. Just simple instruction to help you. I will break it down into simple, easy to follow steps that anyone can understand. And by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and confidence to create effective campaign using the Marketing Cloud's Journey Builder. So let's get started. So we will create a multi-step journey for our campaign. Uh, let's type here promo campaign. So in case even we don't have all the information about our customers, like we have just their phone numbers or emails, and so we are still good to go. Our plan is to make our campaign work for everyone, no matter what details we have. This way we can reach as many as people as possible and make our campaign a success. So to maximize the coverage of our campaign, we will use the full information given by our customer. Okay, so first I will pick the data extension as the starting point. So this is where we keep all the information about the people we want to reach, like their email addresses or phone numbers. So when we start our campaign, we will make sure to have this information handy to reach out to the everyone effectively. It acts as the starting point of our journey so that you can target a specific segment of your audience based on the data stored within the data extension. And now in the flow control feature, I will pick the decision split and just type email. So decision split is ideal for creating branching paths in your journey. When you want to personalize or modify content based on the contact data or behaviors, it helps to create different paths in your journey based on what people do or what they are. So if we want to change things based on how people are behaving or what information we have about them, decision split is perfect for that. So we will start with the email. In case you have email address of your customer, so yes and no, add it and search for email. Email address. I will set the filter criteria here. Email is not null. So this filter excludes contacts who don't have an email address on records. So by using this filter, you can make sure that you are only communicating with the contacts who can actually receive your emails. If you attempt to send emails to invalid or missing addresses, it can lead to bounce and delivery issue. Done and done. Now you can send the emails to your contacts. For example, email with discount. Now we will walk through the second group of contacts who have provided their phone numbers. So use another decision split, type mobile and the filter criteria would be type for number and drag the mobile number here, and mobile number is not null. Done, done. And now we will define the path 1 yes and path 2 no. Done. So those customers who didn't provide their phone number will be exit from this journey. Now I will select in-app messages and type SMS with discount. So your journey will look like this. But assume you are a smart marketer and would like to say thank you to your customer when they made purchase on your website, and would like to encourage them who doesn't reacted to your previous messages. In case, we will use another decision split. Type purchase, and the filter criteria would depend on the fact of purchases. So search for purchase and drag purchase made. Purchase made is true. Done. Done again. And now we will send a, let's say, thank you email, and one reminder email for those customers who didn't made purchase. So type reminder, and for those customers who made the purchase, we will send the thank you email not in one day, but let's say after 2 days. Done. I just change the duration and send the reminder email, let's say in 2 days. Done. And it is advisable to send a reminder email after waiting 3 days or 4 days after the first email was sent. And the same you can implement with the customers who have provided their phone numbers. But make sure that on the fourth and fifth days, your customer should exit the journey, and you will see the result of your campaign to analyze it and to decide whether it was successful or it was a failure. So also you can create the different versions of your journey to adjust the messages or steps your customer will follow during this journey, and these features will be allow you to be as flexible as possible when working on execution of the campaign. So that's all for now. If you enjoyed learning about creating campaign with the Journey Builder, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful tips and tutorial. Thanks.